Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crazy Kids Learning Always. So today we are going to code a app. That name is Calculator. Yes, Calculator. Last time we did the design. Now we're gonna do code. Let's start. Go to code first. Get set number. No. Get set screen and check it nicely. Set properly. Set screen. Yeah. It's. Wait. Yes. It's and set screen one only. Again on event the button. No. On event button 1 is clicked. Again go last. Set the screen to 2. See, let's check. Wait. Oh yes. I have a problem so this way. Yes. Retry. Hello? Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel Crazy Kids Learning Always. So today we are going to code a app called Calculator. Okay. Last time in the last part we had designed our app and now we're gonna code our app. To do that, first we need to go here, code, and last set screen. Again we need to click on event. On event, the button 1, the ID, the button 1 is clicked. Set screen into 2. Again, then see, we will check it. See, it came. Again, then take another button. Go to screen 2. Don't think keep over here. Keep it over here. On event, the button ID. Wait, we need to check it. The button ID. What is the button? Button 3. Yes, button 3 is clicked. Button 3 is clicked. Set text. Yes, set text ID in. Wait. Label 1. No. We need to text input 3. You will confuse. See? Into text input. Yes, text input 3. Text. Wait. Yes. Then go to math and keep it over here like this and keep it. Get the number. Text input. Wait. 2, 1. Text input 2. Text input 1. Yes. Again. That is over. Again. Now we have to take another one. On event, the button 2 is clicked. Set screen to screen 3. Let's check. Yes. We are going to complete our code very easily now. Again, check button. We need to do more. On event, the button button 4, 5, 6, 7. Text input 4, text input 5, text input label 3. Wait, can you see me? Okay, yes, I know. Down. Come on, let's do the code fastly. So the button 4 is clicked. Set the number ID to label 3. Label 3. Math button 4 is clicked plus again you need to keep this over here. That's it. On it of button again you need to keep it over here. Button 4, yes, it's all right. My time is over. Get the number. Where is get the number? Get the number. This is text input 3, text input 4. I think 4, 5. 4, 5. And we need to do it. Oh my. Button 4 is clicked. Again we need to do the same. Button 5 is clicked. Set the number 30 minus get number. Text input 4, text input 5. So I will tell you and in another video this code will be like this only because the time is overing. See, the time is overing. So hope you like it and meet you on another video. Thank you for watching. I will do today only another video. Just a second, I will send this to YouTube. Okay.